Okay, we've got all of the poinsettia petals, well, the one poinsettia petal made. Now I'm going to show you how to make the holly leaves. And the holly leaves can be done with two different types of cutters. And we've got the PME or gem, whichever these are, that can be plunge cut, or the more advanced ways where you do your own holly. These are by Scott Clark Woolley, and he's online, and that's one of my favorite cutters because we're going to do the veining ourselves on this one. I'll show you how to do it. There's 3 sets of holly. Okay, so we're going to roll this out. A little sticky, so I'm going to dust it up. Flip this over. This one I'm not going to twiddle. This one I'm going to embed in the middle. The wire is going to go in the middle. Okay, so we cut that one. We're going to set it on here. Okay, for this one, you take your scoring tool, and we're going to drag it down the middle, like this on the point. And then we're going to come at an angle here to this one, to this one, like that. This is how we're going to do our own. Marks. Isn't that cool? Ball tool, thin this out a little bit. Just on the edge. We want to keep the thickness where it's at. Okay. This one, stick in a little bit of water. Wipe it off. Set it down in. Slide that. We're going to pinch it up around it. Now we've got our holly leaf. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to dust them. All right, you've got Sugar Art food coloring. This is now full food coloring. Food safe food coloring from Sugar Art. Ed Fries is the proprietor of this company, and it's fantastic colors. Look how bright that is. So you see how dull those are. Look at the difference after it's been dusted. So we're going to add the food coloring on so it gives it a little bit more life. And then we're going to set the color by dunking it in glaze. Now you're going to ask me, how did you dust that? Well, there's these wonderful makeup brushes at my Target, but you can go anywhere you can, and I find them. These are by e.l.f. And because you use these for your face, you know they're safe. $1 for this brush, and there's all different sizes and shapes of them, and this one's my favorite for doing this dusting. $1. So consider locating one of these at your makeup counter. And I buy them all the time because I'm always using them over and over again. Here's the red food coloring. This is food coloring, and this one is by Sugar Art. Okay, we're going to dust this, and the gum paste will take as much as it wants, and they should be dry when you dust them, because then it won't give as far as bending your petal out of proportion. Okay, both sides. You don't have to be too gentle. The brush will do all the work. You just load it up, swirl it around. If you need more, just drop a little bit more. Tap the bottle and watch it go red.